Been using it so much, we're out of gas. Hey, how's it going? Me? Yeah, I'm alright. We had a blizzard last week. This is 5 days after the blizzard. We're still cleaning out. We got 2 feet of snow for like the second time this winter. It's been a tough winter. And unfortunately, I haven't even touched this car since before Christmas. I even got a heater. But unfortunately, it's been so cold, like the whole winter. It's like 48 degrees. It feels like summer vacation. It's actually still cold, but compared to what we've had. So unfortunately, I haven't been able to get out here. It's been way too cold, so I don't really have a good update on this car. But I have been stockpiling some parts. I have a shovel, all steering stuff. I'm gonna replace all the steering. I can't even think of what I even ordered right now. The center link and all that stuff. These are subframe connectors for everyone who's worried about the rust on the floor. Yes, I'm putting subframe connectors in. Hopefully I can get to that pretty soon before I put the engine in, which I still don't have an engine. I have an old engine that's buried in the snow out there. That's nice. But I have a bunch of other stuff in the house, so hopefully pretty soon I can finish up this floor and then clean the engine bay. Sort out some wires. God, the poor Mustang. I should have filmed a few days ago. This was insane. It was like 10 feet walls of snow on each side of the road. Couldn't even plow. It couldn't even be plowed. I'm gonna try to get a couple snow banks. Yeah, that's a good one. for spring. Hopefully have some more videos soon. Remember, if you feel like it, it would be nice for you to give me a thumbs up, a like, maybe subscribe.